Hello students, let us do the continuation of lesson number 6, Stone Age, Tool Age, part 3. Under this we will study Old Stone Age and Middle Stone Age, which is also called as Mesolithic Age. In part 2 we studied what do you mean by Old Stone Age. We also studied what are the species belong to this age and what are the tools made and used by Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Now let us begin with part 3. Under this we will study about the places of tool remains found of the Old Stone Age. Since stones are not perishable, it was easy to find the remains of the stone tools in various parts of the country. The stone tools of Old Stone Age was found in India at various places from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. Let us study about the places of human remains found of Old Stone Age. Human fossils, that is the bones, are found in India. Women's skull and collarbone have been found on the bank of river Narmada in the vicinity of Hatnoro, a village near Hoshangarh in Madhya Pradesh. The fossilized skull of child of Old Stone Age was found at a village near Puducherry. Some remains of Old Stone Age humans have also been found in Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. The remains are also found in places called Gangapur on the bank of river Godavari near Nashik, and Chirke Nevasa is in the Pravara basin, are well-known Stone Age site means places in Maharashtra. Now let us begin with 6.3 Middle Stone Age, which is also called as Mesolithic Age or period. The word meso means middle and lithos means stone. In the images you can see the different kinds of tools made during those period. Here we will study about Homo sapiens during the Middle Stone Age. They also continued to progress in different ways as they were more intelligent and sharp than the Homo habilis, Homo erectus and the Neanderthal man. In the Middle Stone Age, the Homo sapiens domesticated the dogs. The domestication of sheep and goat also go back to this period. They also started harvesting food grain. Hence their diet, that is the food, included various plant food. Hence because of domestication and agriculture, they started settling in one place for a part of the year. The Homo sapiens also used various kinds of tools since they were involved in various tasks like hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting of trees. The tools were light in weight and durable. Durable means long lasting. The Homo sapiens used tools like knife and sickle by firmly fixing a row of blade as small as the fingernails into a groove. Groove means a hole in a bone or a piece of wood.